Hello everyone. So today we will be decorating this pot. For that we will need a spray can of red color. We'll spray the color on this pot so that we will get a base color. Now we have to take a bowl and add 2 tablespoons of POP powder into it. The next step is to take any acrylic color of your choice and make sure that with 2 tablespoons of POP powder you are adding only 1 tablespoon of acrylic color. This is the procedure for making the chalk paint. Now mix it well and add water accordingly so that a perfect consistency is maintained. Now the next step is we are going to apply this paint over the pot. This will give a beautiful and glowing texture to it. Now we will just take a sponge and we will dab the color or the chalk paint that we have made earlier over the pot. Due to dabbing, a grainy texture will be applied all over the pot. Now this is the perfect desired texture that we were waiting for so long. Now we have to take acrylic colors of our choice for making flowers on it. I have taken yellow, turquoise blue and white. Just use your fingers and dab the colors and make the petals of the flowers. You can make as many flowers as you want. This mixing of color will ultimately give a beautiful texture. Now I have used a green acrylic liner just to add detailings to the pot. You can take any acrylic liner of your choice. These acrylic liners are easily available at any stationery shop. Now using a glue gun, we will be sticking the beads on the flowers. These beads were easily available at the stationery shop nearby. You can also use waste materials to decorate it. Now I'm using this white acrylic paint to add detailing to it. I'm just simply making dots using this toothpick. See how beautifully we are done with the stuffs. Now we'll be sticking mirrors with the help of a glue gun around its edges. Just make sure to use glue gun under the supervision of your adults. And now it's ready. So now you can keep flowers in it for decoration purpose. So we'll meet you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.